Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your marketing data with HubSpot, complete guide step by step clearly. To secure your marketing data with HubSpot, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the settings icon in the top right corner. Under the account section, select users and teams. Review the list of users and their assigned roles. Adjust the permissions for each user by clicking on their name. Ensure that only those who need access to sensitive data have permission. Next, implement two-factor authentication for additional security. Under Security Settings, find the two-factor authentication option. Require all users to enable this feature. Now, configure your data encryption settings. Check that data encryption is activated for both storage and transit. Next, familiarize yourself with HubSpot's GDPR compliance tools. Navigate to the account settings and select Compliance. Enable necessary features to manage your data in line with GDPR. Conduct regular audits of your data access logs. This will help you identify any unauthorized access or anomalies. Make use of HubSpot's integration with other security tools. Explore options like single sign-on and other third-party applications. Educate your team on best practices for data security. Arrange periodic training sessions to keep everyone informed. Finally, ensure your HubSpot subscription is up to date. This will guarantee you have access to the latest security features. By following these steps, you will enhance the security of your marketing data in HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.